Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Owen the Boss. Yes, we are back, and this is an episode of Breaks and React. Yes, this is the Boss TV. When you are a new person in a place, we beg you react to this channel, then we are bringing you more things. Yes, today we are back on Breaks and React, and we are in the camp of BWOY Nature. Yes, BWOY Nature is dropping a new one called this one. I will make it. So challenge. Here we are today. We are going to go into the I go make am or I go make it track, and also put the track on the chopping board and see how the track is going to be. So without wasting my time, subscribe. Then we go in there. Then we are checking on the I go make am or I go make it track. So when you hear the the BWOY Nature, then get to know the BWOY Nature is coming into the the space. So Charlie, for also listen to what BWOY Nature have for you and I. What I have for you is Lazy Boy is no more. So this one can be a replacement of Lazy Boy. So it's still from the wood, Papa and to the wood.
This speaker. I hustle today, yo, and I know say I go make it. I struggle today.
So this was being produced by GV Beat. So GV Beat is the man behind the rhythm and the everything. And the BWOY Nature too started. He said, if I dey hustle today, I know say I go make calm. So we go make it one day. It's not today, but we will know either cook or work. We can also make it one day.
And I know say I go make am, cause I dey hustle today, yo. And I know say I go make it, cause I dey struggle today. And I know say I go make am, I go make it, oh. I go make am, I go make it, oh. Hey, I go make am, cause I dey hustle today, yo. And I know.
Yes, this is the type of music that we always want to be talking about. Don't go and do that type of music, that type of noise music, violence music. Then you bring it to us that we should work on it, and when we are not working on, then you will be like the boys are not supporting them at home. No, do this type of music, cool music that when someone listens to, the person will get to know that this is music, my nigga.
I go make it, cause I dey struggle today. And I know say I go make am, cause I dey hustle today, yo. And I know say I go make it, cause I dey struggle today. And I know say I go make am, I go make it, yo.
Hey, this boy, why? The chorus is more than everything. Why? The chorus is going too much. The I go make it is too much. BWOY Nature, why?
It is stress on the thing.
No. BWOY Nature, we don't do like that. Why should we be on the I go make her if I dey hustle today? The chorus is getting too much. I want to listen to something different. Give me a different line. I go make it, I go make her is getting too much. No.
Go compose your own song.
Look at this guy telling me I should go and compose my own song. Yes, BWOY Nature, let's go.
I go make am, I go make it, oh. I go make am. Life no be easy, my brother. Keep trying and focus.
Yes, life is never easy, my brother. Keep trying and be focused. Focus. The word is what? Focus and stop looking into other people's business. Focus on what you are doing. Build your own self and forget about thinking of what others are doing, either it's good or bad, my nigga. Stop it. Think of what you yourself you are doing. Build yourself. Think of what you yourself you are doing. Yeah. Let's go, BWOY Nature.
Nothing good come easy, my brother. Keep trying and focus.
Oh, Charlie, this is Papa listening on them. I'm not getting that, Papa. Let's go back and let me see if long will Papa long go ban man. BWOY Nature, you won't convince me. Me, the Papa teacher, you won't convince me. Let's go. Yes, the first part of the Lokopana Yes, but the number one who want Badali you want Pada, that one there, I think I've gotten that one. So Boy Nature is telling you the lazy boys, stop laziness. You bed, you sleep, you sleep, you be sleeping. Boys that like sleeping like Sapon, to stop it. Work hard. Pada, you want Pada. Stop sleeping every day. You sleep like Sapon, sleeping Sapon.
Oh, near your one age, my day. Oh, near your one age, my day. And I don't say one day, oh, we gon' make a man no more sadness. And I don't say one day, oh, we gon' make a man no.
When we finish making the money or the good life that we are talking of, what is even sadness around you? We will never be sad even a single moment. Don't even talk of a day or a week. So let's make the dough. After making the dough, there is nothing like sadness around you. That is what Boy Nature is telling you and I this evening. Let's go.
No more tears, as I hustle today, yo. And I don't say I could make it, as I struggle today. And I don't say I could make it. Ujabela le kwanaba, umbore ya kitumbuka kai. Ujabela le yamnaba, unwankam yana umwardo.
Yes, Ujabela le kwanaba, umbore ya kitumbuka kai. Ujabela le yamnaba, unwankam yana umwardo. Sometimes when you want to be like unwankam yana umwardo and you are not waiting for the unwankam, you will be there. Akala kanamati sankada. Unwankam yana umwardo na imulike ni nansaka mangana. Do what you can do positive, not just doing what you can do. Do what you can do positive. We all know one come and you know about the bat. None go man and bamo. In none of bamo, can I go? You know my bat bottom now. None go man, none of bamo. In none of bamo, can I go? Ujangani go man, in none of bamo, don't can I go?
Chiras ujane shine ujamal mayo wado. Asade hustle today, yo. And I know say I go make it. Asade struggle today. And I know say I go make it. Asade hustle today, yo. And I know say I go make it. Asade struggle today. And I know say I go make it. Asade hustle today, yo. And I know say I go make it. Asade struggle today. And I don't say I go make it, I go make it, I go make it, I go make it.
This is the type of music that all times are like. You see the rhythm, the guy is not like rushing on the rhythm. You understand what the person is saying. But when you are doing that type of noise music, bro. So all my people on the Boss TV, go and check the Boy Nature out. Go and check the nigga out. The nigga is one of the new talents that we have around our wood and in the country. So go and check the Boy Nature out. Let's go.
I go make
that was the Boy Nature for you. Is one of the new talents that we have in town, which each and everyone in the wood need to go and check him out. This song or all his songs are on all social media platforms, and that is the spelling of his name, Boy Nature, on the screens down there. Go and check the Boy Nature or Boy Nature out, and also make a good listen to good music. Support your own, support your own, support your own. Let's support our own and make them big. My name is Owen the Boss. Subscribe to this channel, then we go big.